Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you the text decoration. So why getting late? Let's get started. First type the H1 tag and then the A tag for link. I'm just typing my name here. It's here. I'm giving style for it. First you have to choose the tag H1, then A, and then the second bracket. If you don't require this, follow these rules, and the code will not work properly. So be careful of it. And then the second bracket. So I'm giving the text decoration none. The underline is gone. You can also make it line through. Like this. If you want to change the color, you can also change it, giving it red. If you want to style it for uppercase or lowercase, I'm just removing this text decoration. The name is uppercase. So if you want to make it lowercase, just use it. It's already lowercase. And you want to make it capitalized, it's capitalized. The first letter will be capital. It's called capitalized. So we'll continue in our next video. Thank you.